for leading the country, it is important to make good friends, strategic and planning. My today's topic is Indo-US relations. Coming to the past, we had not a good relation as initially in Cold War, India follows the policy of non-alignment. But US always aligned towards the Western Front and always hurted India by indirectly supporting its enemies. Coming to the some of the good trade and deals among these two countries, I would like to add in 2000 after the 1991 reforms like LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, we have traded a lot with US and presently one of the biggest partner of India in trade is US. We have in 2000 we have concluded a deal with one and 3 million, $13 million and in 2005 we have also isolated from the nuclear isolation that US has recognized India as a nuclear nation. In 2008 we have concluded arms deal with the US and this was the biggest deal in the Indian history of military equipments. In 2016 we have purchased some of the equipments in terms of military warfare which strengthen the relation of the two countries. Presently, some of the strained relations are going on between these two countries. If we talk about the H1B1 visa, so US has previously sanctioned some of the sanctions and now after the talk of the Indian big leaders, foreign ministers, they have concluded with the relaxations in the H1B1 visa. After that, the tariff war is going on in the world and the US has imposed 25% tariff initially in the month of July, but it has increased to the 50% in the month of August. Presently, after the talk, the Indian-Russia relation is hampering the Indian-US relation. Therefore, our diplomats has taken the decision to conclude a good relation with US by eliminating the policies with Russia in oil deal. Now we have also purchased F414 engines with America and it going to the biggest deal in this era of $113 million. Presently, we have done 132. After the 2008, we have done $132 billion deal, and now we are in the surplus. And this is going to be the biggest step in Indian history to deal with the largest equipments and warfare in the military technology advancement. Thank you very much.